Hey, I'm Coda Beatrix. In this short session, I'll show you how to talk to a Bitcoin Cash Fulcrum server from an iPad using Swift Playground and my Swift library, SwiftFulcrum. We'll add the package, connect over secure WebSockets, and watch a live status go from disconnected to connected. SwiftFulcrum is pure Swift, built around actors and async await. You get simple lifecycle calls like start and stop, streams for live updates, and one error type to handle. That means less boilerplate and more reliable code. In Swift Playground, tap New Playground to create an app playground. Go to the sidebar and tap the plus button above the navigator. Choose Swift Package. Type the URL github.com/58opals/SwiftFulcrum and select up to next major, starting from 0.4.1. That pulls in the concurrency first API we'll use today. I'll connect to bch.imaginary.cache. It's a well-known Fulcrum endpoint in BCH tooling docs. If it's offline, try another WSS Fulcrum like fulcrum.fontainehead.cache. Let's dive into the code. Open contentview.swift and add import SwiftFulcrum. Since we added a package already, the SwiftFulcrum module is now ready to be used. In content view struct, set up three properties that we're going to use. First one is the URL of the Fulcrum server. Like I said, I'm going to use bch.imaginary.cache public server here. Next, add a status property. This will be dynamically changed based on the connection status. Lastly, the actual Fulcrum client. I'm going to make it optional so we can handle it easier. Alright, cool. Now, let's create two async functions, start and stop. These two functions will be linked to the start and stop buttons in our UI. Oh, speaking of the button, let's just make them right now. Inside the body variable, make an H stack inside the V stack first. I'm going to put two buttons in this horizontal stack like this. Now, the preview screen on the right side shows those two buttons. We haven't put the status text here yet, so let's just add text status on top of our buttons in VStack. Alright, by default, the status is disconnected. Let's write a connection logic in the start function. Firstly, the status changes to connecting at the very beginning of the function. And then, create a Fulcrum instance inside the do block. If any error occurs during the Fulcrum initialization or connection, we're going to set the error to the status in the catch block. Cool. Why don't we tap the stop button now? Oh wait, there is an error here. What is going on? Ah, I see. I put in the wrong port number. Let's fix the incorrect port number over here. Let's tap the stop button again, and boom! The status shows that we are successfully connected to the actual Fulcrum server now. Right now, the stop button does nothing, so don't forget to add the disconnection logic in the stop function as well. After the client is successfully stopped, the status text will be changed to disconnected. Let's try to connect to the Fulcrum server again by tapping the start button. And tap the stop button to disconnect. So we could see SwiftFulcrum's core lifecycle. Initialize with Fulcrum URL, start, and stop. So that's a full connection to a Fulcrum server from an iPad in under 50 lines of code. Next time, we'll make a real calls, fee estimates, and current height. See you then. Cheers.